Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Ensure your phone supports Volte and is running the latest system update. Check the device model and software version in Settings under About Phone. Confirm your carrier and plan include Volte and 4G voice service. Contact carrier support if the plan lacks Volte provisioning or if activation is required. Have an active SIM with cellular data and signal strength above 2 bars. Reboot the device after any carrier provisioning changes to refresh network registration. Keep your APN and network mode settings available to verify during setup. Open Settings, then tap Network and Internet, then Mobile Network. Select SIM1 or the active SIM slot if dual SIM is present. Toggle Enhanced 4G LTE mode or VO LTE calls on to enable Voice over LTE. If you cannot find VO LTE, check More or Advanced Network options in Settings. Reboot the phone after enabling VO LTE to ensure the network registers correctly. After reboot, make a test call and check the status icon for 4G or VO LTE. If calls drop to 3G, return to Network Settings and verify preferred network type. Verify network mode is set to 4G/3G/2G auto for VO LTE compatibility. Check the signal icon during a call to confirm VO LTE or 4G voice connectivity. Reset network settings if VO LTE does not activate after toggling options and rebooting. Backup saved Wi-Fi passwords before performing a network reset to avoid data loss. Update carrier settings or install carrier configuration updates if available in Settings. Contact carrier support with IMEI and account details if activation still fails after these steps. Consider
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.